This video is about maintaining serial numbers and user accounts in Tamarin. Under Maintenance, there is an option to consolidate your products. Due to the nature of serial numbers being entered into the system at different times and with different inputs, the same product can often have inconsistent details across different serial numbers. That's when we can use this feature to update serial numbers with one or more commonalities. Let's create an example by adding serial numbers for the same hat product but with different information. The first serial number is going to have the product name spelled in uppercase, but with no MPN and a brand of brand A. The next two serial numbers are going to have the product names in lowercase, but this time they'll have an MPN and a brand of brand B. Now let's go back to the Consolidate Products page. The commonality across the serial numbers we just created is the SKU, so we'll use that. We are now given a bulk update form to update the three serial numbers matching the SKU. We'll put in a more descriptive product name. The MPN has automatically been populated. And we'll update the brand. To commit the update, we just need to click Update and proceed with the confirmation. Now, if we click Find again, we can see that the product information on the serial numbers are now consistent. Last but not least, we'll quickly talk about user accounts. You can click on your initials on the top right of the screen to see the account that you're logged in as. This is where you can also log out. Users enter Tamarin by authenticating through one of our company's other products called Gorilla SSO. Gorilla SSO is a single sign-on system allowing your employees to access multiple systems via one login. The system can be branded to display your company ID to have a more seamless experience. This single sign-on system is used in all Tamarin packages we offer. Speak to us if you would like to integrate our Gorilla SSO with one of your existing systems. That's the end of the video. Hope you found it useful.